We'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC. WhatsApp is a widely used messaging app, and having it on your PC can make it easier to stay connected while working on your computer. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. You need to have installed WhatsApp on a phone to use it on a PC. You cannot use WhatsApp without a phone. WhatsApp is linked with a phone number and cannot run without it. Ensure your PC meets the following requirements: Windows 8.1 or later, an active WhatsApp account on your mobile device, and a stable internet connection. If you do not have Windows 8.1 at least, you can still use the WhatsApp for web on your PC. So I told you about the requirements, but let me tell you one more thing. If you do not use WhatsApp on your computer regularly, you do not need to download it and install it. You have the option to use WhatsApp for the web. Let me show you how to do it and how you can download WhatsApp for PC if you want. Open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser. I will just use the standard Windows browser, Microsoft Edge. On the address bar, write web.whatsapp.com. On this page, you can just scan the code with your phone and use WhatsApp directly on the browser. If you only want to use it once, I suggest doing so. After you have logged in with your WhatsApp on the browser, please do not forget to log out, especially if somebody else is using the computer. This way, your conversations will remain private. If you want to download and install WhatsApp on your PC, click on Get the app on this page. Now, click on Open. And now click on Install. Windows Store will install the app on your PC. After the installation is complete, click on Open. You need to scan the code with your phone and WhatsApp will be installed on your PC. You've successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can enjoy all the features of WhatsApp directly from your computer. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.